nti menyi ni se eye ekutia ono ni gidie ni se ye to abewie ne ye kenkan wie na obi enya ne pink sheet because you see Kwame about no say we a leader na say under this circumstance we can say attention action wo de wo be electoral commission nti nkofo be pra omumpra nkofo be wo mu niama be hia enhia enye courage eye cowardice because as a leader no accepting defeat when you need to accept and so graciously no a part of the key tenet of a leader. One say Sasam ko mo kanu kan e boa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because in fact so Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to ye mpenifo na aka no ho a omo mo pe na edo mo ko 2028 a MYN because on my way mo no why you do be di kan ba for the first time na ya omanfo nto ya ton ne dada no mo na ye de ne ba ye ton no.
Abusia yera kana kompa ko Japan egusua ebontoa ediche delegate na enra woni ebimu ehia na wo kasa no de to wo bani mu se wo moto aba ne ma no se wo bra na flag bearer efama NPP a fa so ba ko wo mu ebenya ne se yekoto aba 2028 year general election na say yen kind the last person in the last constituency in we ya so wo no oba bonten aba ba accept defeat na nanu ada ye hu wo NPP mu de nya de e besi ne wo be ko the last bet crowd wo de betwa so enku so be hwe se enkunimdie ebe NPP for the busia waka sansemi dodo na kire se we de ekutia na ekutia so de na ekutia bia enim nira enye obi ase Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na yera kana kompeko Japan ebo na ekutia me no e ka say Dennis Miracle Abuaji ya wo special aid edma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia e the response abre honorable kana kompeko Japan e won nsem na wo kan no mo akwaba e de about too much G8 so first time here mestre so me subscribers no so e de acheme ya kai so wo de be on be kan wo sa no upload to on the first person ya won sa ebedi kan ka too much multimedia college and asomas ne emam djumedi ebro numbers no ene go screen as no wetimi afana ni penifo edi nkomo nchemu o bia no wo mo de betu wonim ebusia say your body ra ensem num dia una boka na kompre ko Japan egusu ebo nto a na nto abomu no ene o delegate for no akwakohia ene wo da ne nisode hu no e ka ne nsem e de chom na sabba kwa okoka ya Ghana fo bi susu se eye kutia ene o de bo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne se watch say na anu ada ye hu ni esi ye 2024 abato aye to ye say ye be kenkan wi esi ye kenkan wi o na leader wodi party na nwe nyina de party no ehye brasha wonsa no di mikaba be fura pa age atum say o aba ne de ne ekone de minwanum medi nkugua na samaje atum ziwe no ma me jin mensa me ha hokra in declare me declare me ho say me lose edit my friend man pin John Dramani Mahama edit nkwasem ama no say wono na aba no wadi mu enkunime no na honorable kana kompra ko Japan say sa move no oya sanade se unhye da nye bema sa na oyegufo ne wiase super mugufo a wotu no bema wono de e ba na se yakwakoto aba 2028 na enya ade se wo ba bonten abaje tum se wadi nkugo sa da bi wo se enku se be kenkan aba na wie defe kosi asese twan no woni electoral commission no echemu pepepe eno ena Ghana for se yakutia de a ena na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ena wo bo na kutia we ena Miracle Abuaji wo OKFM woni Kwame Nkrumah echwetwe nkomo ena wo kire se wo bia obeka sa ase wude wudi nkugotu mu entemu a na se wo ye coward no na sa wu nipa no unim ne wo ka response ya wo de ma honorable kana kompeko Japan ene ekuti
Pan African Bank okay 101.7 eso eni na mamenko yerua Dennis honorable Dennis Miracle Abuaji we former DCE we aid at the His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia former president of the Republic yene ni twetwe enkomo anke Miracle memwache
Aba me jusu
na boko pa de
na ye pa na fikasa na fikasa gami adom
asem si anu anya abotre
mafikasa pa no mu wa mafikasa onze ndra no ne se ye bese se niam wo bono i ye me si mo ababa ka no nti mafikasa gami adom ye ho ye
wie na enu adwumadie ni ko sei na nanso de na to aso
endo nyame adoro ma koyi ye de na so be nyame ohwe akwentu kra team no tu fin
okay FM 1
ko pie mu wo bono itwa na se enu kwa kra ye na fie shonko enra nyame adom Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene polling station executives, electoral area coordinators, constituency executives, parliamentary candidates, former DCs, former MPs, that's confor elders, patrons, ACI, Semi West, Semi East, any table constituencies, any mudin komo kama. Now, which year party for the Canada say, and you crash some Cassia more say, Adeba come Kaya Krana, a map me that's what I can say almost say. If you run commodity, such as a coso ne campaigner, different groups area up and down. Dr. Mahmoud Bamia Kasemuno, which means one be people to Hua Keke, or Sanso Eshom crying or the crying secretary, Pana Abromo, or the any that's what I see to say. Omania departed Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, Ede Sa and Commodity number. So one may come from Keke Montoba Mame, Nemum. Or catch from say Montua Bamame. Now I say at Tromo. The NC or did it on Montua Mano. Any Shaya, a Wawa, or did it say on Neomokabumwa, Umbitia, na and Conulia about 2028. It's UT Omokamusio, that's and never buy one booby a din. Won't say Dr. Mahmoud Bamia was parents be a din that baby. Won't say Cassiti as parents be that baby. On to say Casenchi, also boy to be cast and one board, but what to say, on to say that. On to say Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, a kiddy beer, a betray party, nibi, and a party needing a cobony muda. And I never come a first free and Bremen say, party for no, a society anymore, as I say, a moon here, Mopa, or Moon Sadi, and say, idea, or Munyan Sa, it will be beer and come up. And see, the Andra, you defeat. West East any table bunyana say omuda Dr. Mahmoud Bamia say obe Kenya omu na odi ahoden foforo sonko kra show mu a eni ti e free and dra no mu come back to omu polling stations so omudi ahoden sonko ekoye juma not just as supporters and voters on Metro Obama in the primaries but omudi ahoden sonko kra na ekwa boaboa edoma no e wo mu polling station ama MPP going into 2028.
Na mama radio we what can say ye next say eye next say eye pa na mama musa de enra yete mi hun social media ye wura kan dia kompre kwa Japan wono so obo ne nto asa na waka asem bi se ono de so obeye flag bearer jese electoral commission declare se wa ni nkunim ansa na wage atum won yin tum se de ibinum ye ne se letter commission meka se wadi eyintwo ana wa lusu a na wa babonte wo mun hyase mo bo ade anwie na wa baba beka ene bi ni wedi awe am se kutie bi anim ni wura o nim se sankomo ye twa soma
oh binji se kutia binji se ono migidi a wo on se democracy na ye run no imi do ni nyina ye democracy no yenyina na yewom so but obia ne level of democratic tenet and I say principles ni ideals are owudidi wom nti megidi se yera ne gidi owo ene ne principles owo no and all that about and I think say it's fair oh I say to me mo bia kwan no bia kan ne gidi because eno no so ne be ma say party for ne Ghana for to about take decision e be mo me hu sunsun ne ye ni yi so I just say, be anywhere, be anywhere, bonnet. Nemo, a woman here says, party for to Abamawa. Or to me, whom your ma, would you woman in a precopen, and say, be out to Abama, you know. Nothing will be near to me, and now yen maybe na you didn't doesn't so obey. In see, meaning say, a kutia. On only Gideon say, your two baby near King Kanye. Now, obey and the pink sheet. Because we see about one on election day, Ghana no, about 4 million year to set, but also yes, presidential no, and year to parliamentary. Two distinct elections, but also aware. Now, at the polling station, so no, your polling station agents, me, Bako represented parliamentary candidate, no, and a Bako represented presidential candidate in every polling station. And see, your 12 year, a polling station, you see, near kind. You can now, agents, no, for parliamentary elections, no, or Jitum no was sign, or sign we are no, I pink sheet. na ɔde pink sheet no akɔ anaasɛ ɔde ama parliamentary candidate ne coalition center ɔwɔ na afei ɔde copy akɔkɔma anaasɛ parliamentary candidate ne coalition center no ɛde copy akɔma ɔno ne agent a ɔwɔ constituency coalition center hɔ sɛnɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ɔde bɛtoto deɛ a isifoɔ ɛde ba coalition center hɔ no ho saa pɛpɛɛpɛ ɛna presidential candidate no nso ɛwɔ agent presidential candidate agent no ɔno ɛsane sɛ ɔno ne presidential candidate no coalition center no wɔ Accra nti yenya kenkan aba no no sensan no de ne pink sheet pɛ no no so asende akɔ presidential candidate no coalition center na ɔde copy nso akɔma presidential candidate no agent a ɔwɔ constituency coalition center hɔ na ɔno so de ahwɛ de ayisifoɔ ɛde bɛba nti ye kenkan aba no across the country ni nyina no na presidential candidate no ye ɔno so ne coalition na parliamentary candidate no so ye ne coalition enso na wo mu ne sɛ parliamentary candidate ne de constituency coalition center ho ɛhɔ ɛna electoral commission ebe kenkan namba ni nyina bom na ɔkan bom wie ne wawi ni a wɔde ne form copy ama no a results nyina wɔ so na electoral commission na manensa so ɛwɔ hɔ a na wabɔ ne din sɛ Kwame Nkrumah tikɛseɛ ɛna constituency we win a ye declare no MP elect eti ɛhɔ a constituency one a electoral commission ebe declare no ɛno no ɛmankan ɛno no ɛnyɛ Jen Mensa na be declaration no ye declaration no constituency hɔ ɛno ɛyɛ different from president deɛ na electoral commission at the constituency coalition center okeke bobu via na ono so the copy of the forms that was sign out results no was no or the copy ama presidential candidate no coalition center agent no constituency ho now was send the copy so electoral commission regional coalition office center ho sa copy no na party no presidential candidate no so benya copy e won the coalition center enti ye di nyina na presidential candidate no or collating the results the same way electoral commission so collating the results no now say udu baby our collating results na we hu say we lose ana we win ewie no niema mienu dia we win no no aye no coalition we win no normally by announcement say Miami coalition ewie ana Miami coalition be 95% na numbers na aba so far no bigidi say me winning elections no enti ye be train electoral commission the other side is say the ono ye kenkai ono so coalition ni the area we lose no ono so waso die dem mom na kwa mbato ha ni team years say you can carry money near we now kaka bom nyina awie na hu say we lusu but assembly ni ho ye train say ade beche na electoral commission abekin ka say basa bi anko so a obi anhyew obetimi atrase atwen a kopem e bia na wotwe anase afempo obi anhyew because no bibie ni ho for example when say yewra o man permit on Dramani Mahama bepem ne one consider defeat 2012 elections. But I say, wow. 2016 crowns one yet. So what I say. But Obia I say me anyhow because at the time, you know, but I say be anyhow or how be anyhow. It is a one consider pona se bibia in sia say me anyhow. The mom say ya kenkan mana wie na wa hu se we lose we wie no a we ni tia se we lose abana wie no na sa what wa obete ne say say Storman NDC ni MPP for the CNI obete ya ne say Damongo NDC ni MPP for the CNI obete ya ne say wo ko e fe ne say etiwa omu de CNI yeto omu de CNI nyina ne say NDC for free say o awi ni abano nti omu ye de ombeye MPP forces omo fi so mo yi ni to mo ye de ombeye ye school adan ye se ye friend say ye bubu nkonya yet senior mem. Nasa wo penino. Unim say abe so me meniti o makeka ni na abom me pink sheet ni na de kra mi. I say pink sheet no ensesa so. Pink sheet na no fit police station wo no. Ensesa. Sentokwa obibia ho antokwa no be wo coalition center ho. Coalition na ntokwa be wo ho. But pink sheet ready ensesa. What it means is that so long as a wukwa pink sheet no, sasem bia free ho at any level ba, we between the pink sheet ready ho dance here. It is a wukwa pink sheet. Na so we need to say pink sheet here me kuya ni ma dia makabo mu nyina yi. Men to me enim funim. Na wo news awunya, messages awunya nyina ne say o manfo NDC4 ene o manfo kontokwa, o manfo so pray because o madwemu no o prayer obetuma wi ni ba wo nya bibia kai say constituency etiwa constituency no ne constituency figures nkwana ohu ba wo de wehu Ghana ha nyina constituency results nyina nti wunim se ntokwa mo kono se o mo kra mo di o mo results re be ka wo kra ensesa bibia because wo de wehu bibia aden na se wo ye penia wo be ka say in the face of all this chaos any confusion any conflict any violence no chinchinachi media minka he. When we said the night of the elections, around I think 12 or 1 a.m. Yeah, press conference. This time I address the press conference. That time we have quality results about 60-65%, and we're very much in a lead at that moment. And that was the time I hear press conference. I catch a man phone and I say, "Omo member NDC phone show me before ni omo and yabasa NDC phone say about one." Because based on your figures, you so far there, you win elections. So, no more focus on what we are doing. At that point, your coalition, about 60% says you win elections. But about 3 hours later, after the your coalition, they 95% to be. And you say after collating over 95%, results are bad so far. Maybe I be doing it. See, the aka nyina kwa beka ho a entimi ma presidential candidates no en win elections no you cry a pink sheet you cry bibia and afi nkofo kontokwa and nkofo pray from ho and ye hye niema so we a leader na say under this circumstance we can say tension action wo de wo be try electoral commission nti nkofo be pra mu mpra nkofo be wo mu niema be hye a enhye a enye courage eye cowardice because as a leader no accepting defeat when you need to accept and so graciously, a part of the key tenet of a leader. And that is why I was making the point, say, nobody should ever say, media, semeni tuya, me result, and petroba committee, you, the caveats, conditions, the briabim. Semeni tuya, tensiona, say, me lusu abakra na, media, metro electoral commission. Ubet me try electoral commission wa bra ka sabasa bia nkoso ubet try problem bie no nen kandada o ubet me try electoral commission wa bra o how bia nkoso ubet me try problem bie ne ho nen kandada o but if the prevailing condition but I'm telling you if the prevailing condition tesenia na a prevailing in 2024 na anadwo be 4-5 am ye bonko for senior ma wo party for ye play promo ni ade party for so fight back because or fight back because I better no the fight no so beti abansen so na wunnim pa se me saka bibia me huni nyina but no party no bibi ono wo no huni nyina na so say wo de twen na wo betwen na ya o party for play pra na ya say niema no minus here and no enye courage enye sign of courage and enye sign of a good leader, and that is what basically the point I was making is about.
Where the mama no was bra enkranin tempa you know
ehunhia se ne mesika ko ide se me nto tu de me ba ne sa
na say chances ne to say
about one na
ai
about obi enu wa ye fa ne tra
okay
about obi ya no ye make sure say ahode bi ehia ye de be hyem nti se na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ye in 2023 se ne party for ne ye in 2023 party for no so do na ye age or my polling station executives the party executives from years e be move from 1992 e be from 2000 omunim de boy a party no and omunim ye mpenimfo na airplane nyina woni so obia ejane nan so atomunim se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene nipa se ye petumi intentem so pa 2028 dia obetumi etu franka ma ye party no na NDC ni a mbeyi no foforo no wetumi de nechi akafo ita se Bawumia no ono ne yapon no obi enim no ye nenim nim din kafo nim dia Bawumia so oba ya momo nurse fo nim dia Bawumia so oba ya momo na
ngofo entiase se wano ne yaton no wano ne yaton no 2024 Oma mno mko competition wa mse yaton no ya anto. Nti ade na yaton no banche no ya anto no. Wo se ade kwa nkofo nko konkunta anase emfa nko ofu.
Ho ne ma omo asem na ya na enokra bua Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no. Because once wo hwe Ghana ha amampenimfo ayenya no mo ya amampenimfo ayedi kan to omo ayanto. Normally omo ba foforo no mo yento. Nti enokra na bua Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ma mampenim ba ko a obetra akonya so a non ti akonya so dada oba first time a the toro mamba ko ebi ho o mampeni ko for ba 2000 1996 ya ntono ba for ba 2000 se etono wo kai ya papa di etwen asamo ka kire o mampeni ko for o so wa ye banchi dada
ai Emma me say emre me interview Professor Mills sabe na mokumase nam so what I banchi dada o ti asmo ka kire me say say what's me ye banchi dada wa what I obotum di ma ye konkonte
eno anase do be start
ai
to aja say enti no kwepa ne say sa asem ko mo kanu ka na ebo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because in fact so the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia toto ye mpenifo na aka no ho a omo mo pe na do mo ko 2028 a MYN because on my way mo no why you do bedi ka ba for the first time na ya omanfo nto yento eye de ono ababi pani mum de aton ne dada no mo na ye de ne ba ye ton no omampeni ko for by 1996 yanto no oba 2000 no ne ye ton no satam na friend say Yero Atamos eba for the first time yanto no omampeni Atamos eba biem in 2008 no ne aton no mienu so ansa ye ton no because na nipo no ne pre no omampeni Akufo-Addo no ba for the first time nti yanto no so what you say the fact of the matter is say on my way no why you be the care pon na yanto no wo na obabi ma ye beto sa no my no elections ne akwakoye eye wo ba for the first time mu na yanto nti omo ni Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia pe ni mu nyina de se ka ne sa pa de a eno mu nyina obi ankonkoda we akabeneza be se kekeda kekeda because Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne aton no ono e na se ye sign de no ko bi mu a like say Ghana for beden ebeto no enti ye na me kwan so anisa party for ndim de epe na me gidi say 31 January no omo de adwuma ne be say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia sa na wakoji tumi ama yeku no
abusia nsamo ne akwakuti abanwese so be comment e comment section ho e de amame e too much gh no ne busu a ohwe all the social media platforms so ko wa e too much gh o subscribe like no wa share na fofo so eni bi ahwedin e de dark code e be sen share